Hi, it's Alan here from Blackdown Shepherd Huts, and today I am going to show you our Brace Shepherd Hut. The fantastic thing about the Brace is it's two shepherd huts joined together. That enables you to have a lot more space inside. And so this one here we've designed specifically with families in mind. So let's go and have a look inside. So inside the Brace here, we have a dining area, big enough to comfortably seat four, a handmade kitchen that we make here in the workshop, then through to the snug where we have a lovely villager fire, a mirror TV. Now when the day is done and it's bedtime, the table folds down, and the bed pops out of the wall underneath our skylight so you can look at the stars. Then through into the other side, through the glazed walkway, we have a bunk up high for a small person, and then a large double bed, as well as a full-size shower room. And then outside onto the veranda, where there's room enough for a table so you can sit and have a nice glass of wine, or maybe down the steps and into the hot tub.